Hey y'all, I have a little random haul for you guys today. It's not nail related, but I still wanted to share this with you guys, being that it is the summertime. So I recently went to Five Below. As soon as I walked in, they have a wall that has new items on it that are $10, $15, and $20. And I was really surprised to find these. Now, I got both of these for $15, and what they are temping tents. So you can see here what it includes and the measurements of it. It has a storage bag, which is zipped in, which I thought was really nice. It has the handles for, you know, easy carrying it around, which I like. But everything you need to set up this tent here is inside the bag. It says assembly only takes 15 minutes. It's a 2-person tent. And of course, it's not a big tent. You can tell it's small. It's just when you crawl in and go to sleep. So if you guys are into going camping for the summer and things like that, I thought this would be great for like the kids. I mean, it says it fits 2 adults, so even the adults, just a little small tent, or even just to have extra tents for someone who may need one or whatever, you know. So yeah, I picked up 2 of these, 15 bucks each. And then on the days I can't make it to the gym, I wanted to have a couple things at home that I could use to work out with. So I picked up this step platform. It says perfect for cardio and strength training. They have adjustable height for multi-fitness levels. You got beginner, intermediate, and expert. So I just got one since I'm beginner. They do have like the razors you can buy separately that you can raise it higher. But this is something I've never done before, but I've been wanting to try it. So I'm going to start out with just this one and see how I do. And if I like it and get used to it, then I'll raise it, you know, or go up to 2 and get a little razor block or whatever. But this is something else I have been wanting to get. I had been looking for them each time I went and they didn't have them in. I actually went to a different Five Below than I usually go to. So I picked up this kettlebell. It's an 8-pound kettlebell. This was $5, the step platform, and this was $5 as well. It's good for strength, balance, and core, but you can do a lot of good exercises with this kettlebell. I look up a lot of workout videos on YouTube, and those are what I mostly do at home. And a couple of them that I watch, you can use like a kettlebell or a little dumbbells. So yeah, I'll be putting this in with my workouts when I start working out from home again. I have to get back into it. I slowed down a bit. But yeah, these were just my little random Five Below hauls. I got some camping equipment and fitness. totally random, right? But very good prices, I think, for each item. Not bad at all. What was I going to share with you guys while I got y'all on here? Most of you guys, now I don't think that I shared this with you guys yet. For those of y'all that don't follow me on TikTok, I have showed this on there. You guys, I ordered this really nice vacuum. I'm going to turn it on really quick. You can use this piece with the brush. You can push this back and use this piece just to suction. And then you just change the pieces here with this. You click it and you pull the piece right off. Then it also comes with this piece that I like to use for like corners, refrigerator drawers, getting crumbs out of the corner of the refrigerator, little nooks and crannies. It's perfect for that. It fills up with, as you can see, the stuff you vacuum in here. You click this button, it comes off. It has a filter in here. You can wash everything and let it dry, put it back together, and you're good to go. You don't have to do it very often. I just cleaned it for the first time, and I've had it for like a couple months or so now. This is the battery. You just click this and the battery comes off. You charge it up. You do have to charge it for quite a while. It's the only thing I don't like and it doesn't last very long. This is the main part to the vacuum. So you have it with the two little wheels here. You have the bristles in here. You can open this. You can take this out. You can clean this as well and wipe this down. This I really haven't touched yet. I think this part makes it come off, but then you have this part where you can make the handle of this short or long. So hold on. Yeah, I put it onto the little base here, and you can see where I have it all the way up to as high as it'll go, and it's just like the perfect height. You can have the suction stronger or lower. See, it says light and powerful. Yeah, and the lights come on down there. Yeah, what I like about it is that you can vacuum carpet, tile floors, wood floors, like you just seen. I wasn't vacuuming a carpet. It picks up just fine. And it does a good job. I only paid like $60 for it or something, really cheap. There is some more attachments to it. It did come with another filter, a little brush blade cleaner thing for the bristles of the brush, your manual, and I think that was it. But yeah, it's not too bad, you guys. On Amazon, I'll put the link in the description box below. I'm not an Amazon affiliate, so it's not a paid link or sponsored link or anything like that. Everything y'all see me purchase, I purchase with my own money. I don't even get paid for YouTube. So I'll put the link to this below if you guys are interested. You guys can go on fivebelow.com and order as well online at Five Below if you guys don't know that. So you might be able to find these items on the website. But yeah, y'all, that's all. I just want to share that with you guys really quick. That is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.